Are you late for a very important date, right? And you think you're so busy, maybe even overwhelmed. What's actually happening is that you're avoiding stillness. When you're so far away on the spectrum in one way, we need to bring you back to the other way. So if you're busy, we need to step into stillness. And this card in the Oracle of the Lake deck, a Go Within card, is going to show you exactly why. It shows up when you're feeling anxious and overwhelmed and go, 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 and you are just avoiding sitting still. You might be saying to yourself, I just need a moment to relax. And when you find a nanosecond to relax, you're already up doing something else. Right? Most people think this is the way of the world right now, but this card reveals that inner work actually saves you time because you know yourself better, because you are have greater self-awareness and clarity, which makes the action steps you are taking more in alignment and things fall into place. It's not about fixing the way you're doing anything, getting another focus strategy for yourself or implementation plan. It's about shifting your energy. And believe it or not, there is earth energy of grounding in here that happens when you go within. But this is a water card. It's about your emotions being a little out of balance. When our emotions are out of balance, chaos happens. We overreact to things instead of when they are imbalanced and we've taken that nanosecond to shift them. That's when more alignment happens. And that's when we go from reacting to things to responding by who we are and how we're being and showing up in the world. So ask yourself, because this card is showing up right now, when can I take that moment of stillness and go within? Put it in the calendar because that way you can't avoid it. It's an appointment to yourself, and I know you keep those promises. You don't need more effort, you need greater alignment. So head over to the description, find out a little bit more about going within, as well as the rest of the Oracle of the Lake deck and how you can find out more about it and take action with the link that's there. And I'll see you in the next card that's coming up.